Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.